Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to create a YouTube intro. This is quick and simple, so just follow me. The easiest way to make your intro looks good is to use Canva application. So go open your web browser and search for Canva. Once here, just sign in your account and go search for YouTube intro template. And you will see a lot of YouTube templates that you can use to edit and make it as your own video intro. There are many ways to edit your intro, but Canva is the easiest. Just tap and edit the letters you desired. Just click and drag the position you like, and search for the other additional templates if you want. But take note that not all templates are available for free. Some are needed to be purchased in the Canva store. So here, I will play my finished output. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.